Are you tired of using tiny Joy-Cons on your Nintendo Switch and you wish you could just use your Xbox controller instead? You're not alone. Many kids and gamers want a better way to play, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Xbox controller on a Switch with easy steps you can do right at home. So first, you're going to need a special tool called the 8BitDo, 8BitDo wireless USB adapter. You're going to plug it into your Switch dock. Looks like a little stick. It helps your Xbox controller talk to your Switch. Next, you're going to press the pair button on the adapter. It'll start blinking, and that means it's ready to connect. Now, you're going to turn on your Xbox controller and hold the pair button until the light flashes. In a few seconds, it will connect. If it doesn't work right away, don't worry. Try unplugging the adapter and plugging it back in. Then pair it again. This fixes most problems fast. You want to make the buttons feel just right? Use the 8BitDo software on your computer to change settings like button layout and stick sensitivity. Okay? Playing games with your favorite controller feels amazing, so go try it today. If this video helped you out, like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.